Hey and welcome to this little tutorial, where I will show you how to get the time from an NTP server. I created a console app for this purpose, but it should work in most projects. First, we need to download the NuGet package NtpClient. Next, we need to write using NtpClient to add it to our project. Now we add the code itself. We declare a new NTP connection and give it the domain of our NTP server. I will use pool.ntp.org for this tutorial. Then we declare a DateTime and use the GetUtc method to request the time from the NTP server. That's pretty much it. I will add a Console.WriteLine to display the time and execute. As you can see, the time doesn't match my machine's time. That's because I'm in a different time zone than the server. To fix this, we can just add the difference. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.